In this video, we will share a drink to help you stay longer in bed and be a lion. This drink will also scientifically help prevent hair loss, and we will add a secret ingredient that will make your skin glow. It's every man's worst nightmare, the inability to perform in the bedroom, so watch the entire video, stay longer in bed, and make her happy. The first ingredient is lemon. Lemons are packed with antioxidants and flavonoids, and they help men improve their sexual function. 2. Our second ingredient is mint leaves. Mint leaves are good for taste. It will help in treating indigestion and you will feel very refreshed. 3. Our third ingredient is a ginger. Ginger enhances blood flow in our body and helps to increase testosterone production. Which country are you watching this video from? Let us know in the comments section. 4. Our fourth ingredient is a watermelon. Watermelon is a natural source that helps to increase testosterone production. Watermelon also acts like a natural Viagra. It contains a large amount of citrulline, an amino acid that relaxes and opens the blood vessels. 5. Our secret ingredient is a gooseberry or amla. Gooseberries are rich in vitamin C and help keep the hair healthy. It also helps to keep the eyes and skin healthy. Now add a little water and a pinch of salt and blend well until there is a smooth consistency. Try this drink and let us know your feedback. Low testosterone has been a growing problem in men. Here are 7 signs of low testosterone in men. Do check this video out.